Texas MPN Workshop was amazing meeting. First time ever that we had a full 2 day presentations of MPN experts from around the globe and discussions among the experts on different topics. Not only for doctors, it was also open and for free to anybody who wanted to listen and ask questions if you want. So there were about 1,300 plus participants online, because it was all virtual, that were logging in and listening to these presentations and discussions, including patients, nurses, nurse practitioners, and physicians. And so it was amazing, amazing achievement, unexpected, I would say, because we wanted, before the environment happened with the pandemic problem, we wanted to have the in-person meeting here in Texas for a specific group of MPN experts that were able to come and get together to have a lovely discussion and then project to the public later on what we all presented and discussed. Because of, unfortunate this situation, we actually had improvement in what our goal was, to share this to the public. And so the highlights are hard to number them all, because it comes from the discussion of how the disease become. That was a wonderful first setup of talks on significance of CHIP, clonal hematopoiesis of insignificance, significance and in the patients, or I would say in the persons that do not have a disease, and how does this develop to the full-fledged disease? What are the factors that lead to the development, and what are the factors that lead to the disease to become more aggressive over time? So we had a spectrum of talks, from identification of clonality in healthy otherwise people to all the way to the last talk was actually on accelerated and blastic phase, the most aggressive type of MPN, where people live only on average about 6 months. So it was a wonderful spectrum over 2 days, and anybody who has access, it's still free, and it's going to be free for online for a long period of time to listen to that as presentations and enjoy.